If we do not change, it's either you innovate or you evaporate. You do not change, you become what? Extinct. May negosyo ka ngayon, kung hindi ka nagbago, wala ka ng negosyo. And then, ang next question is this, anong kailangan natin baguhin? Should we change our looks? Tingnan nyo yung katabi nyo, nag-i-improve ba yung looks? I do believe if you want to change something, you're going to change something from the outside, but you change something from the inside. First things first, next slide please. What do we need to change? We need to change our mindset. Everybody say mindset. Mindset is so powerful, it can affect the way you think, it can affect the way you feel, it can affect the way you make your decision, it can change the destiny of your life. Allow me to present this simple formula. It's called mindset plus action equivalent to what? Result. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3. Mindset plus action equivalent to what? Negative mindset, negative action, negative. Positive mindset, positive action, positive. Wrong mindset, wrong action, wrong. Right mindset, right action, right. Kung ano tinanim mo siya you cannot live consistently to the way you think inconsistently. You can never win in life with a defeated mindset. Hindi ka magwawagi sa iyong kinabuhi kung mindset mo ay talunan. May mga Bisaya na direct, kasi kamot! Ako, daghan pa na Bisaya. So, question, para magwagi sa negosyo, kailangan positive o negative? Sino sa inyo positive mag-isip? Pakitaas sa mga kamay. Sino sa inyo medium? Medium. Sino sa inyo rare? Medium rare. Para matanayin ako positive tayo mag-isip, finish the sentence for me. Sample, ang Pasko ay sige, tingnan natin kung talagang positive tayo. Bago tayo sumakay ng aeroplano,